Hello friends, welcome back to our training video here today on Chimade Educative Video channel. In today's training, I'll be on Canva for beginners. That's a continuation of our training on Canva for beginners. So I want to teach on how to attach images, relevant images to your Canva design. Very important. There are sometimes you wouldn't need to just use the exact Canva image from the template. You want to add your own to reflect exactly what you're doing. So for beginners, this is how to do it. Remember, in making a Canva design, the first thing you need to do is to choose a template. And this template depends on what you want to do. Now look at these templates you are seeing on all of these places. You see, this one is for mobile video. Is that what you want to prepare? Are you preparing doc? Are you preparing an ebook cover? Are you preparing YouTube thumbnail, document, and all that? So that's the first thing you need to do. You have to select any of this, and that is what you're using. So once you have done that, selecting that, then the next thing is now start building. So assuming I want to prepare something that has to do with thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. So I click on YouTube thumbnail here. Now, having clicked on YouTube thumbnail, I'm going to see a lot of designs. I'm going to make a choice. Now, part of what I'm going to teach you as a beginner, even if you are going to see me, either I choose a complete blank template, like you see this one is blank. That means I'm going to build from the scratch. Or I can also choose any custom templates here, any of these things. But I'll be very careful. I'm not going to be choosing the one that is, I need to pay for. Yeah, this one is say paid, because I belong to a team that must have paid for this. So I can use this one. But there are some of them you cannot use. Like, look at this one's written pro. If you are going to use them, you're going to pay for them. So there's no need doing that when you have thousands of free resources. So I always look for the one that is just free. Remember what I said. I can use this empty blank template and do the design from the scratch. Or I can as well use the one that has a template that has something already, because there's something I want to teach you. So you can as well learn how to delete already made, the custom image and add your own. That's part of the training. So let me choose and pick the one that already has an image on it. It's very important. So let me choose this one. Look at the one I want to pick. Let me pick this. Let me go for this. So I'm going to pick this. Just remember what we're doing. How to, add images or edit your images on Canva design. This is a tutorial guide for beginners. As we are going through this, if you are new to this channel, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Like this video and make sure you share it. Now let's move on. Now this is our work. Let's begin to do the editing. The first editing I'm going to do is to remove this picture. But remember, it's not compulsory that you must remove this. I'm removing it because I want to teach you how to do some things. So I want to add my own. It's not that I must remove. Sometimes I may see a picture that is custom image in the template I've chosen, and that custom image is relevant to what I'm doing. So there's no need taking it away. So, but here I'm not talking of Bitcoin, so I'm going to remove these coins. I'm not talking of crypto, so I don't need this. So you see what I'm doing? Once I click on it, I click on this, the delete icon to take away that image. I click on image, I click on this, so that's it. Now, I also want to remove this. I want to add my own, so I remove it. What if I want to also remove this red whatever? If I want to remove it entirely, I can do that. But if I want to shift it, I can do this. But I want to remove it. It's your choice, depending on what you want to achieve. Now, I want to add my own image. So because I want to add my own image, I click on this. Look at this plus sign here. That plus sign means add something. It could be text, it could be image, it could be anything. Let's click on it so you see what you can add. You see, you can add a design. These are designs. You can add elements. You can add text. You can add gallery. You can add brand, uploads, draw, a lot of things you can add here. So, but where my interest is in gallery, because I have something, an image I've saved in my gallery, and that is exactly what I want to do. If you want to go for uploads, you are going for also, you want to upload fully into the gallery. So let's click on gallery now. Okay, please, not okay. Let's go. I want to look for, now having get this gallery, look at the images. These are recent images, but I can make a selection by going to this drop down here and click inside it and select the kind of, in order to narrow my choices. Now I also select, am I looking for everything that has to do with gallery, that is image and videos, or just images? I select images so that the search will be narrowed. I make this easier for myself so that I won't be seeing both videos and images. And not only that, in this drop down I choose the image I'm looking for. It's not, is it under camera or is it in Canva? Is it in screenshots? Is it in Mobison? Is it in that? I know where the image I'm looking for is. So it's better I go straight to that point. Look at the image I'm looking for, is on Photo Lab. So I quickly go there. So I have few images here on Photo Lab, and that is what I want to choose. So out of these images, I want to choose this one. Now I've clicked on it. You see I've attached, and this say add to page. I click on it. I click on that add to page. Watch, it has added. Now having added, look at the position it takes. I can shift it. I can also increase it by touching this side. I seen it. I can increase it. I can increase the image. I can drag it this way. You understand? So this is my image. I've added my own image. And you know one thing about branding, most times it's good to use your image for everything you are doing. Because those images you see that come customarily with those templates, most times it's real images. The man who designed that template is the one that owns it, and he puts it there, and you keep on promoting it. You can use your own, everything you are doing. You snap different kind of pictures. You design your pictures using a lot of all these editing tools for images. Design different, ways, different poses, so that whenever you want to, work on graphic and you want to attach an image, use your own. And that is branding for you. It's good for business. Now, having done this, now I've attached image. Now I want to now add my text, what I'm talking about. Assuming this particular thing, I'm talking about Canva for beginners. Maybe that's what I'm talking about. Or Canva tutorial. Please, let me use Canva tutorials. Now, having written that, I'm still going to adjust all of those things. I can shift this. If you want to learn how to do this thing on text, we have a video that teaches that. Check our playlist on Canva tutorials playlist. You're going to see one of the videos that teach you how to edit text on Canva. That is a particular trend on its own, so it's not difficult. Now, I shift this. I'm going to now, so Canva tutorials. Now I write maybe the thing, how to edit images on Canva. Now, I have a lot of work to do. One, this Canva tutorials, I can change the color. I change the color to purple or dark, okay? Okay, I love this. This is okay. This is always the normal color for Canva, or sometimes light green. So I put this one. I may still leave it or put it at dark red. You understand? This is not the best of design, but that's not my interest. Remember, I'm teaching something else rather than this. So this is the Canva tutorials. I can also change change the font of that particular one. Let me use tropical or any other fonts. Design is your choice. By the time you learn how to do this, you make a lot of designs. You do what you like. Nobody should guide you on how to design your work. Design it in a way that when you look at it, you are very happy. Oh, wow, this is good. I love this. That's the same way others will love it. It's okay. How to edit images on Canva. The template comes with subscribe, whatever. I might decide to leave it because it's also part of, call to action for me. If I want to delete, I say, I don't need this. Let it be gone. So that's it. I can also, you can see this is somehow slanted. I can make it to stand straight. You see it. These are a lot of work you can do if I think that I need it to be that way. Canva tutorials. How to edit images on Canva. Now, I can also change this color. I don't like that color. It's too shouty. I want to put the green color and make it a bit of dark green by going here and darkening it a bit. Okay. Is it really okay? Is this color the best? So that even if you don't know how to do this, you are learning it at the same time. Okay, somebody is saying this color doesn't suit it. The first one is okay. It's okay. Let me use this red one. No problem. So that's it. Canva tutorial, how to edit images on Canva. I've done this. Remember these images, I can touch it. I can decide to cut off. If I don't want to, I want to cut off some things here. Are you getting it? You see what I'm doing? Can cut it off, can add it, and all that. So it's a question of if I want to reduce it like this, and it's hanging this way, but I don't think it's necessary. I want it to cover the whole of this. So that's it. Once you have done this, you have done it. So all you learn here is you can upload, you can use the one you already have, how to select the image from your devices, how to add it here, how to touch it, anything you want to do with that image, you can do it. If it's a mobile video you're preparing, you can as well animate this image so that it will be animated. But because I'm preparing just a graphic, not something I have to do MP4. It's not a video, whatever. So I don't need to animate my my image because it wouldn't serve my purpose. I want to use this as a kind of a YouTube thumbnail, so a cover page. I don't need animation there. So if not, you also, if you want to animate this, if you click on it, go here, look at style, click on style, you see a lot of things to make that place bolder and all that. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Are you getting it? You can see all of these things. But the question is, do we really need all that? Now, corner rounding. Now that is style. You can also look at effects. So these are how to work on your images. Are you seeing it? You can touch all of this. BG remover, magic. But these ones you see, writing like something so pro ones, you can't use them. This one is magic edit, you can use it free. But this one that are not free, you dare not touch them. If you touch them, you're going to have problem. If you do want to use magic edit, you do a lot of things there. Try magic edit. I don't want to try it right now, but that's not my interest. Now, brush size and all that. I say, okay, it's okay. I'm done with this. It's okay. I love this. Let me, it's done, please. So you can, I remove this. Okay, cancelled. Now you can use a lot of things here. That's effects. These are filters. You can filter your image. Are you getting it? You see it. Different versions. Warm and all that. So you can adjust. So there are a lot of things you can do. You can crop it. You can now animate it. That's the animation I'm talking about. You can give it more transparency. You can have layers. You can position it and all that. So there are a lot of things you can do. Just all this is for email. Once you tap it, you can make a choice and design. But if your image is okay, you don't need to do all this. Once you upload, just arrange it and you are good to go. And that's how to work on this. If you still want to learn everything about Canva, just subscribe to this channel, because we're not going to prepare a special class for that. All you need to do, access these free classes here on our channel. You are standing to gain so much from us. Please don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share with your friends. I stop at this point. Thanks for watching.